Imagine turning a simple hobby into a high-paying business. Right now, thousands of people are making money with drones shooting breathtaking videos, mapping landscapes, inspecting buildings, and even selling stock footage online. The drone industry is booming, and if you own one, you're sitting on a goldmine of opportunities. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make money with a drone step by step. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time business, I'll cover real, practical strategies that work in 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, how to get clients, and what mistakes to avoid. Let's dive in. 1. Understanding the market. Who pays for drone services? Before jumping into the ways you can make money with a drone, let's talk about the demand. Who actually pays for drone services? The short answer: more industries than you think. Real estate agents need aerial shots to sell homes faster. Filmmakers want cinematic drone footage for movies and commercials. Farmers use drones to monitor crops. Inspectors use them to check roofs, power lines, and cell towers. Even law enforcement and search and rescue teams rely on drone pilots for critical missions. The key is to identify what service fits your skills and local market. Are you near a booming real estate area? Do you have contacts in construction? Understanding where the demand is strongest will help you position yourself for success. Beyond this, government agencies and environmental researchers also use drones for monitoring wildlife, tracking deforestation, and managing natural disasters. Drone applications are expanding rapidly, meaning new opportunities arise constantly. Staying updated on industry trends and emerging technologies will help you stay ahead of the competition. 2. Aerial photography and videography, selling stunning visuals. One of the most obvious and profitable ways to make money with a drone is through aerial photography and videography. High-quality aerial footage is in high demand, especially in real estate, travel marketing, and event coverage. For real estate, agents love using drone shots to showcase large properties, highlighting surroundings and giving buyers a better view. Wedding photographers are also looking for drone footage to create cinematic wedding videos. The best part? These services can fetch anywhere from $250 to $1,500 per gig, depending on the quality of work and location. To start, invest in a good drone with a high-resolution camera. Learn the basics of cinematic drone movements, like orbiting and top-down shots. Offer free or discounted shoots to build your portfolio. Then start pitching your services to realtors, wedding planners, and travel companies. Expanding beyond real estate and events, industries such as tourism boards, yacht rental companies, and high-end resorts also require captivating drone footage for promotional purposes. Creating a niche for yourself in one of these high-paying sectors can elevate your income potential significantly. 3. Real estate and construction, drones as a game changer. Real estate isn't just about fancy listings. Drones are also revolutionizing construction. Builders and contractors use drones to monitor site progress, inspect buildings, and even create 3D models. If you live in an area with active development, this can be a great business opportunity. Many companies are willing to pay $500 to $3,000 per project to get aerial data. To get started, learn how to use drone mapping software like DroneDeploy or Pix4D. Network with local builders, property managers, and architects who might need these services. Many of them don't even know the full potential of drones, so educating them could land you your first contract. Additionally, some companies need time-lapse aerial footage for long-term construction projects. These contracts can be highly lucrative, as clients pay for consistent updates over weeks or months. 4. Drone mapping and surveying, big money in data. Speaking of mapping, let's talk about an even more profitable area: drone surveying. Industries like agriculture, mining, and urban planning rely on drones for detailed mapping and data collection. This is more technical, but it's also one of the most lucrative fields. If you can master mapping software and understand data analytics, you can charge thousands of dollars per project. For example, farmers use drone data to monitor crop health and improve yields. To enter this field, you'll need to invest in high-end drones equipped with LiDAR or multispectral sensors. While it requires some training, the return on investment is massive. Beyond agriculture, insurance companies use drone mapping for disaster assessment, calculating damages after hurricanes, wildfires, or floods. By partnering with insurance firms, drone pilots can tap into another high-paying market. 5. Stock footage and online sales, passive income with a drone. What if you could make money while you sleep? Selling stock drone footage is a great way to create passive income. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5 allow you to upload drone footage that can be purchased repeatedly by filmmakers, advertisers, and content creators. The trick is to capture high-demand shots, cityscapes, nature landscapes, iconic landmarks, and cinematic slow-motion clips. The better your footage, the more you can earn. To increase your earnings, consider creating niche collections, such as time-lapse footage of different weather conditions or Ultra HD drone footage of remote islands. Having a well-organized catalog of footage can increase your chances of landing major buyers. 6. Drone inspections, high-paying specialized work. Drone inspections are one of the most underrated but profitable niches. Utility companies, oil rigs, and infrastructure projects all need drone pilots to inspect hard-to-reach areas safely. For instance, inspecting a cell tower manually is dangerous and time-consuming. With a drone, it's faster, safer, and costs less. To get started, you may need certifications depending on your country's regulations. However, once certified, you can charge between $200 and $500 per hour for specialized inspections. With the rise of AI-powered drones, autonomous inspections are becoming more common. Learning to operate AI-assisted drones and analyzing inspection data can position you for long-term success. 7. Legal and safety requirements. Avoid costly mistakes. Before you start making money, you need to know the legal side. Many countries, including the US, Canada, and the UK, require drone pilots to have certifications like the FAA Part 107 license. Operating without a license could lead to fines or legal issues. Additionally, you'll need liability insurance, especially when working with businesses. Take the time to research your country's drone laws, register your drone if needed, and ensure you're operating legally and safely. Opportunities are everywhere, you just have to take action. The drone industry is expanding, and early adopters will have a competitive advantage. Every day you wait is a missed opportunity. Whether you want extra income or a full-time business, drones can be your gateway to financial freedom. Start small, keep learning, and grow your expertise over time. Success isn't about having the best equipment, it's about taking the first step and mastering the skills that bring value to others. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of most people. Now, it's time to take action. Check out the description or the first pinned comment. I've left some useful links and exclusive recommendations to help you get started. And since you're serious about making money, YouTube has picked the perfect video for you to watch next. It's on the screen now, click it and keep learning.